Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some peanut porridge. Yes, I will be using some oats along with it because I'm going to use the oats as a thickening agent instead of flour. You can use plantain or banana or whatever combination you'd like to use, but I'm using the oats because I'll still get a lot of the peanut flavor coming through. Yes, so here are the ingredients. I have some coconut milk, I have cinnamon sticks, I have some butter, I have some evaporated milk, some vanilla concentrate. This has a strong vanilla flavor, and some ground nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, some salt, some Betty milk, of course. Oh, and I'm just gonna add the whole nutmeg, not whole, just the shell, because I'm gonna put the ground one in it. So you can use many part of the nutmeg. You can use this part, and you can also use this part, which is this is the part that they grated to get the ground one. So yeah, and also for the cinnamon, if you don't have the sticks and you don't have the grounded cinnamon, you can also use the cinnamon leaf. I don't have any cinnamon leaf right now. Yeah, let's make some porridge. So we're going to come in with our peanuts. We're going to come in with our oats. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to blend it in some coronation milk. And we're just gonna screw this on. And voila! Porridge! Okay, so I went ahead and I had just like a half a cup of water, and I had some cinnamon sticks and the nutmeg shells, and I'm just putting less than a half a teaspoon of salt. So when you're sweetening it, it brings out the sweetness and you use less sweetener. Then I'm gonna come in with this, and you want the thing with porridge, you need to keep stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy. So you have to keep stirring and keep it on a low heat. You don't want to add too much water at a time because you don't want to get watery, because porridge must not be watery. I don't like my porridge too thick or too runny, but then again it all boils down to your taste, your preference. So you can make it a little bit more runny or you can make it a little bit more thick. Either way, it's your preference, but you just don't want it to be soup, because then it just won't be porridge, it will be soup. Yeah, so we're back, and you see this lovely pot of peanut porridge. So yummy, and the color got a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see it on camera. So we're just going to come in now with our coconut milk. We didn't add it in at the start because we didn't want to cook out too much of the coconut flavor, and you can use raw natural coconut by blending, but because we're trying to go the easier, faster way nowadays, we are using the coconut powder or the canned coconut milk, you know, and you stir, and this is a nice consistency. It's falling from the spoon easily, but not too easily. Come in with about a teaspoon of my vanilla concentrate. See that dark rich color? You can tell it's more flavorful than the artificial vanilla flavor. So we're going to come in with our nutmeg, and you want to stir while you're adding the nutmeg because you don't want to have nutmeg lumps. And this is just like less than a half a teaspoon, or probably half a teaspoon. Don't want a lot. Don't want to overpower your porridge. Then we come in with our cinnamon. Yes, and you keep stirring. I'm going to come in with a little bit of butter, just a little bit. Give it a little more richness, even though this is a whole lot of rich because they have the evaporated milk. You can use cow's milk. Yes, you don't have to use butter. You can use a little coconut oil, or if you prefer vegetable oil or whatever, you know, it's your porridge. Do with it what you want. So I'm gonna turn it off now, and I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. It's turned off, you know, it's just the heat from the stove. Hey, if you dash this past somebody, you know, like one intruder breaking in, I'm not saying if you can dash it for regular people, but, you know, and an intruder coming in. But that's if they're coming in when you're cooking your porridge. If they're coming in and you hear them, you just put on a pot of cooking oil. Not water, because water cool off fast. The cooking oil. I'm just putting in my better milk. So yeah, the cooking oil. And at this point, you're just going to mix and stop and taste until you get the sweetness you like. Maybe you don't want it too sweet. Maybe you want it more sweet. We're going to plate now.